tata kati te wā Pōti. E whangara e toe ana hei wā tuku Pōti, a kei te āwangawanga Ariana Tikao o ngai Tahu, ka kore pea e rangona te reo o te iwi Māori.
Quite a few of my Facebook friends had not received their papers, and I think all of those who responded were actually on the Māori roll as well, which kind of feels to me like a bit of a problem really, that it could be a systemic issue.
Nō tēnei tau, kāore I riro I a Tikao ana pepa Pōti, aha kua I whakahou ia I ana whakaurunga I te marama o Akuhata.
So usually I don't have any trouble, like I've been on the Māori roll for quite a long time now. But yeah, this time around when I checked myself on the online roll, I couldn't find any evidence that I was still on the roll. And so yeah, I decided to re-enroll, and I got confirmation that had gone through okay. So I expected that, you know, some papers might arrive, but yeah, there have been no papers yet. Hi. I'm just here to pick up some special voting papers.
Nā nō tēnei wiki whakamutunga o te wā Pōti, I haere a tinana ia ki te tari o te hononga kia whai Pōti.
I checked online and apparently I can do a special vote. So yeah, because we've only got this week really to address the issue, and so I'm here to go inside to check to see whether that's available to me to be able to vote via a special vote.
Nā, kua tutuki ia.
It's pretty easy for people to get special voting documents, and we'll do everything we can to make that happen. So we've got special voting services available from all our 12 customer service hubs, including our Te Hononga civic offices here.
E ai ki te kaunihero o tautahi, no te rahina, kua Pōti te neke atu I te rua te kaumā whāpai hieneti o ngā tāngata e noho ana ki konei. Ko tā te Kaiwhakahaere Pōti Tuarua a Joe Daly, he maha ngā take kāore anō ngā kainoho I whiwhi pepa Pōti.
It makes no difference which role they're on. They should have all received their voting documents to the address they were enrolled at. If they've moved recently and not updated their details on the electoral roll, or updated their details after the 1st of August, that was the date of the roll close, so voting documents have been sent to those addresses. Also, if they are on the unpublished roll, their voting documents wouldn't have been sent to them directly. They would have got a letter from the Electoral Commission saying contact the council. And sometimes, I guess, voting documents don't end up being delivered. We haven't got any evidence of that happening in particular places.
Engari ko tā Tikao, he mea nui kia mōhio te katoa ki tēnei.
I think it's worth, you know, us Māori or whoever is involved in the elections to check to see that we are also, you know, getting a fair chance to have our voice heard. Yeah, I would also love to see a Māori ward here available to us as well, because yeah, when I checked online to see who the candidates were that I'm able to vote for, there didn't appear to be any Māori candidates at all, so that's also an issue for me.
Ka kati te wā Pōti huri noa I te motu I te pōtitanga o te rā a te tekau mātahi o ke topa. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.